I straighten the life out of it every day.
Okay, looks like we have a surprise here.
Yeah, inside the bird's nest. So obviously two problems. One's the condition, the frizz, and the colour. And since I've been having it coloured, the condition's got worse. I straighten the life out of it every day. I used to have a full head bleach peroxide.
When?
Full scalp bleach. I stopped having that 9 months ago, and the condition was getting worse and worse. So that's when my hairdresser suggested he breaks it up with the darker bits, and then took the darker bits to the root. Then I didn't know till then I had grey.
I mean, you don't have much, only a few strands.
Really?
Okay.
And probably worse at the front, isn't it? So obviously, since the dark's gone in, I'm seeing the grey.
Okay.
And then the dark washes out, and I don't like the colour. Before I had so I've got an undercut.
Okay.
Before the undercut, it was even. So they put that in to try and make me not straighten it as much.
Are they doing color and highlights?
Yes.
Okay.
Root colour?
And highlight every time?
Yes.
You do have gray,
Yeah.
but it's not that high percentage.
Okay.
Maybe 20% maximum.
Okay.
Now, my problem with people that they do color on the top of a hair that doesn't have high percentage of gray,
Yeah.
that they mess up with the remaining 80%,
Yeah.
the darker one. The color that they have done on the 80%, it's gonna wash out. It's gonna become brassy. It's gonna
Yes.
become different. When I encourage my clients to go more toward doing a very fine highlight on the top, if they
Yes.
have gray, I never encourage them to mess up with their natural.
Yeah.
Because you need the depth.
Yeah.
And that depth comes from your natural.
Yes.
You mess up with the natural,
Yeah.
now you end up changing your whole natural color
Yeah.
to a new combination.
Seems a lot darker, really.
It is going to be darker comparable to what you have
Yes.
before.
Yeah.
Anything after full bleach is going to feel darker.
Yes.
The problem is not in the darkness. The problem is in the combination itself to have whatever color you have here.
Yes.
When I'm looking at it, I don't see it that bad now, but I'm sure this is going to start getting a little bit more brassier with time.
Yes. Highlight bits aren't as good either.
Yes, because this is a full bleach. Your hair naturally is curly, not
Yeah.
in the best condition.
Yeah.
So it is a tricky situation over here.
Yes.
Now, what I can do, if we're planning to treat the hair anyway,
Yes.
the treatment will fix some part of the color that I don't like,
Yes.
which is after they did the highlight and the color on
Yeah.
the roots,
Yeah.
I think they tried to remove the warmth from the length. Now the hair on the lens doesn't look bright enough. So I don't mind this.
Yes.
What I do mind is actually this.
Yes.
When I'm looking at the shade here, I don't feel like your blonde is they're very attractive. It feels
No.
like very. It lost their shine.
dull.
It's just dull. It's not. It doesn't have that vibe of nice blonde. So when you combine this combination with this combination, you feel like there's something wrong. Then you blame it on the roots. I think the problem's in the length.
Yeah.
Soon we fix the texture.
Yeah.
And we fix the shine and
Yeah.
we bring the blonde back
Yeah.
to the right shade.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me, you know what? You didn't do much with the color, but I feel like it's better.
It's better, yeah.
But what we have to do in the future, no
Yes.
more coloring.
No.
You stick to doing those highlight that you're doing, but you do it on the top of your natural color.
Yes.
No more.
No.
No more coloring.
And only highlights on the top.
Only focus on
On
here.
there, yeah. Just.
You have a lot of hair inside, and your hair is quite thick.
Very
No one's
thick.
gonna open. You're not gonna put your hair up. It's just gonna be always like this. So just ignore the back.
Yeah,
Ignore the back.
yeah.
Ignore the sides.
Apart from
and-
when I straighten it and put all my products on it and try and get it all sleek, I put this behind here. So I do see this. And now this dark's been dyed. I don't like this colour. Don't like that colour.
That's the thing. You dye it, it washes out, becomes brassy.
Yes.
You allow the silver to be in the future.
Yes.
And you add highlight to it.
Yes.
You're gonna tell me, wow, my highlight looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Not because your highlight looks beautiful, because the silver gray natural
Mix.
ones, they're making it looks more clean. There's
Yeah.
no yellow reflection to it.
Yeah.
So you need to start using your gray to reach a better blonde.
Yes.
Now you're coloring that part and then trying to bleach it.
Yeah.
Then the hair becomes burnt.
Yeah.
And the color washes out
Yeah.
to brassy color.
Yeah.
You stop the coloring.
Yeah.
The brassiness goes away. The damage slows down, and your blonde becomes nicer as a
Yes.
shade. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do today with the color,
Yeah.
most probably nothing.
Really? Okay.
Nothing. It's been done recently. It's all the way to the top. Whatever highlight I do here, it might lighten it a little bit, but then the amount of highlight will become too high.
Right.
Then when you have roots growing, you're gonna have a line again,
Yes.
like what you had before.
Yes.
So I would suggest we treat it, we see how it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
If we needed to do a quick grayish tone on the roots, if this
Yes.
becomes too brassy, we'll do that.
Okay.
I wouldn't do much. This part here, even
Stop having the undercut?
no, you can still
No,
have the
stop
undercut,
undercut.
but with one more undercut, this brassy color is gone.
Yes. Stop tinting the undercut.
Stop tinting the undercut.
And the same at the back,
Same at the
isn't
back.
it? So,
I will refresh it today, clean it. Most probably it's gonna be almost gone. Not 100%, but almost gone.
yeah. Yeah.
So we
And
focus. This is we'll get it fixed with the treatment. Then we'll reevaluate with the cut after.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
So no color today, most probably.
Okay. But maybe in a few months. I come back every few months.
A few months, we add a few foils on the top.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it. Okay. Sounds
Yeah?
good.
You like this plan?
Yeah. Great.
Alright.
Thank you.
Let's see
Thank you.
Move back a little bit. Yeah, I mean it's quite thick. I mean, it's good that you're doing the
Coarse and
undercut
thick.
because
Yeah, it's unmanageable.
that's something.
All the time I want to grow it, but I just can't.
But you should let it.
grows
You
this way.
should grow it a little bit.
Yeah.
When the hair is
Maybe
this
I
thick,
can try.
you need it all the way to here.
Yes, that's where I'd love it.
So if we get the top to start looking healthier and
not
get
breaking.
longer, grow it all the way to here.
Yes, that would look.
Yeah, it's gonna look better.
That's what I'd like.
Because now it's just
Like a mushroom.
okay.
Yeah.
We have
Thank
a plan.
you. Yes.
I'll give you the breakdown of the
Great.
price before we start.
Thank you. Here. It's nice.
شكرا واحدة.
How long will this last, this colour? Or shall I ask you when we're filming?
I have no idea.
Depends again on my hair.
Okay. What do you think?
Love it. No more brassy.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, lovely. Such a difference.
I mean,
So no highlights.
after stretching the frizzness and the curls down, it looks a bit longer.
Yeah.
But we still need it minimum an
Yeah.
inch and a half.
Yeah.
It's better for your face, it's better for the whole shape. Even when you get longer and you have an under haircut like now, it's actually more cooler if you're gonna do a ponytail.
Yes.
So those are nice, but you need to expose them too.
Yes.
The color, we didn't do much. After I finished, I just toned it down to remove as much warmth as possible from the hair. And I will give you the formula, you can do that.
Oh,
I didn't do any highlight, I didn't do anything to the roots. I just kept it exactly as it is. So get Fadi closer to the roots so you can see the gray still all there. And how we feel the texture after the treatment?
Oh, feels lovely.
Much softer?
Yeah. Really amazing. Yeah.
Lekker, armen doe maar. Other side. Bit more, bit more, bit more. Bit more. Let me show you the back. Hold the mirror, please. Used to do an undercut here.
Yeah.
I didn't do that.
No.
This is more feminine. It's more
Yes,
soft.
it's nice.
I did the undercut over here,
Yeah.
but I didn't bring it all the way to this area.
Yeah,
Okay?
it's nice
This
to
is
shave.
way more nicer.
Yeah.
Because your hair is already bulky and thick
Yeah.
here. You go and you shave this area,
Yeah.
then looks like you have even
Mushroom.
more mushroom
Yeah.
looking style.
Yeah. Great.
Okay. Usually, I like to keep this cut a little bit more messy.
More volume.
Yeah. That's why when we get it longer,
Yeah.
we're gonna be able to have this easy.
Nice shave. Oh, lovely. It's got more dimension, hasn't
Yeah.
it? Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you, Ray. Thank you, darling. Yeah.
Lovely.